Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how to claim 50 thrones every day. 50 thrones every day. So I'm going to teach you how to claim these 50 thrones every day. So just keep watching this video. Let me show you how to claim these 50 thrones every day. It's very easy. I used to claim 50 thrones every day. I just claimed this one today. So I'm going to show you how to claim it now. Just watch this video to the end. Make sure you don't skip any part so that you don't miss out. So just watch it. It's very interesting. Just watch the video and I will show you how to claim it. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how to claim this 50 thrones here. You can see it here. So I'm going to show you how to claim it. And the interesting part is that you can claim it daily. So here is the site. So I'm going to show you how to earn from. First, you need to register. You need to fill in all this place. You need to put out your phone number, log in, your security, invite code. You don't need to put this because just follow the description. I will drop the link in the description. When you follow it, you don't need this invitation code. So just follow the link in the description, and also you put the attach. When you fill everything, just click on sign up. So I already have an account. I'm going to click on sign up here. So I want to log in my account now. So when you sign in, they will give you a 200 throne automatically. You can see it here. So the most interesting thing about this site is that when you sign in, they will give you 200 thrones automatically, worth $16. So that's the most threatening thing about this site. I like this site because when you just log in, they will give you 200 thrones automatically. You don't need to do any work. So let's get started. So if you just log in, they will dash you this 20 thrones. So when they dash you this 20 thrones, so I'm going to teach you how to be earning thrones every day in this site to multiply this 200 thrones. So just wait and watch the video so that I will show you how to claim it. So this site just like mining site. So they will multiply your coins. They will multiply your thrones every day. Like you're gonna get 5% of your account balance. Like they're gonna give you 5% daily. So see the ones I have been claiming daily. See the thrones I've been receiving daily. So this is my statement. So if you log in every day, you'll be receiving thrones. So I just received this one today. So when you click on trading here, then you click on receive. So you'll be receiving. So this is the thrones that I've been receiving daily. So if you log in into this site, you'll be receiving 5% throne daily. So don't worry, just make sure you log in into this site every day and be claiming your thrones so that you have more thrones in your this thing. And you can also withdraw it to your Trust wallet. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So another interesting thing about this site is that you get 15 thrones. Each friends you refer, they will give you 15 thrones. So if you want to refer your friends, just click on share. Click on share. Then they will take you to this place. Just click on copy link here and share with your friends. When you share with your friends, anybody that registered, they will just give you 15 thrones for free. You don't need to do anything. They will give you 15 thrones for free. And you can also earn thrones daily by entering this site daily, and you receive 5% of your throne. And you can also refer friends, and when you refer each friend you refer to this place, you get 15 thrones. So that was it. So we have two accounts, wallet account and promotion account. We have wallet account and a promotion account. So I'm going to teach you how to use this account. So the difference between these two is that in wallet account you can withdraw. In this wallet account they will give you limit which you withdraw, but promotion account the withdrawal limit is unlimited, so you can withdraw anything you have here. So let me demonstrate what I'm saying so that you understand it. This basic account now, there is limit. They will give you limit which you can withdraw daily. One thing about this side that you can withdraw daily, each day you can withdraw. So but basic account here, this basic account you can withdraw unlimited. See unlimited here. You can withdraw any thrones that you have here. So to earn throne in this basic account, any friend that if you refer friends, they will gain to give you 15 thrones. So if the friends you refer another friends, they're going to give you 10 thrones. Then if that person share with another person, they will give you I think 5 thrones. So that's how this thing works. So let me now show you how to withdraw these thrones now. So to withdraw these thrones you are seeing here, like this one, to withdraw it, you need to recharge before you can withdraw. That's the rule of the site. You need to recharge before you can withdraw. Remember, if you don't recharge, you cannot withdraw. So you need to recharge before you can withdraw your this thing. So let me show you how to recharge now. So to recharge, so that they will allow you to withdraw, you need to recharge to activate the account. So when you activate, then now you can withdraw. So to recharge, you click on deposit here. Click on deposit. Then when you click on deposit, click on copy link. After you click on deposit, then click on this copy link here. Copy it. When you copy, then go to your Trust Wallet where you have thrones, then you recharge. When you recharge, then they will not allow you to withdraw, to make withdraw. And remember, you can earn throne in this site daily. You earn 5% throne in this 5% of your balance daily. So don't worry, you're going to have enough throne. So each day you're going to be claiming throne. So you need to recharge before you can withdraw. So let me show you how to recharge now. So when you copy this address, go to your Trust Wallet where you have throne, then you make recharge. So I've copied the address. Let me now go to my Trust Wallet. So this is my Trust Wallet, and I want to recharge 50 thrones to that site. I want to recharge this 50 throne to that site. So watch how I'm going to do it. So if you want to recharge, click on send here. So the recipient address that you copy in that site, just paste it here. Then put the numbers of throne that you want to recharge to that site. So I'll click maximum because I want to recharge all the thrones in my Trust Wallet here. Then click on continue. Just wait for it to click on continue. So next thing, click on send. It's loading, just wait for it. So click on send. So you see, I just send the 50 thrones now. I send it. So see the 50 thrones here that I just sent to that side. Okay, see the time, it rhyme with my time here, and the date, August 1st. Today is August 1st that I made this video. So let's go to the site and let me show you. So after you send, go back to the site, click on deposit again. When you click on deposit, then click on recharge. If you don't click on this, it will not appear in your wallet. They just click on recharge. Click on recharge complete. So they will not take you to this place. Just wait and see. You see this, this thing will appear here. Then click on this arrow here. Just click on it. You see, I just recharged 50 throne. You can see the 50 thrones here. So I just make this recharge now. So I've shown you how to recharge. Now I'm going to show you how to withdraw. So if you want to withdraw, click on withdraw here. So if you click on withdraw, you see the withdrawal limit here, 1.50. That you can withdraw 1.50 throne like 2 times a day or something. So here put the amount of throne you want to withdraw. Like I want to withdraw 1.50, the same thing as 1.5. Then put your throne where you want to withdraw it to. Put the wallet here. Let me go to my Trust Wallet and come. So to withdraw, click on throne. When you click on throne, then click on receive, because this time you want to withdraw, so you click on receive. Then click on copy the address. Then go back to your site, that site. Then paste the address here. Just double click and paste the address. When you paste the address, put the password that you used to open the account. So when you put the password, then click on confirm. You see, withdraw successful. Then go back to Trust Wallet. Now you're going to see, so this is Trust Wallet. You see, I was having $17, so 17 thrones. Let me refresh it. You're going to see what I have now. So let me refresh. You see, now I have 19 thrones. So that is how to use this site. So make sure you recharge before you can withdraw. So, and please, if you don't understand the rule very well, you can also get the rule from the site. Click on this notification bells here. When you click on this thing, so these are the rules. You can also read it from here so that you can understand it for yourself. And please remember to invite your friend. Click on share, copy the link and invite your friends. Each friend that registered will give you 15 thrones. So remember to invite your friends, and also remember to click on this site every day to get your 15% throne daily. So thanks for watching this video. Please, I'm going to drop the link in the description. Just go to the description there and follow the link, then register. And make sure, please go to the description and come and follow the link and register this site, please. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm going to post more videos for you. So thanks for watching this video.